guys, welcome to Medical Prep. So today we are looking at this entrance exams. We have root of x plus root of negative x is equal to 32. Okay, and with this, we can say that root x is equal to 32 minus root negative x. Okay, so now you can square both sides. Okay, so I'm going to get x is equal to, now this is going to be 32 squared, okay, minus 2 times 32 times root of negative x, okay, plus into bracket root negative x squared. Okay, so this we algebraically we express this to be a minus b all squared, which is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, so this is the expression here. Okay, so now you can say that our x is equal to 32 squared is 1024. Okay, so 1024 minus this and this will give us 64. Okay, times the root negative x. Okay, and then this one will cancel this, so we're leaving negative x. Okay, now we can send this negative x here. So we are going to get x plus x, which is equal to 1024, okay, minus 64 root negative x. Okay, so now x plus x will give us 2x, which is equal to this. Half of this is 514. Okay, so you can say that 2 brackets 512 minus half of this is 32 with negative x. Okay, so now you can divide both sides by 2. So when you divide both sides by 2, see that this cancel this, this so cancel this. So you see that our x is equal to 512 minus 32 with negative x. Okay, so now we can send this 512 to the left hand side. We are going to get x minus 512, which is equal to negative 32 root of negative x. So from here we can square both sides. Okay, so this one is going to give us x squared minus 2 times x times 512 plus this, which is 512 squared, which is equal to this one. We are going to get negative 32 squared, okay, multiplied by root of negative x squared. Okay, so now we have x squared 2 times this, which is negative 1024. Okay, plus 512 squared, which is equal to, then this one to give us negative 32 squared. We are getting 1024. Okay, multiplying by this one, we'll cancel this, so we are getting negative x. So let's continue from here. So we have x squared minus 1024 plus 512 squared is equal to 1024 multiplied by negative x. Okay, So let's continue from here. So in this case, you can send this to the other side. So we didn't add the x here. So now you can say that x squared, okay, plus 512 squared is equal to this one, this time this, it will give us negative 1024x, okay? And when you send this for here, you're going to get plus 1024x, okay? So now, you know that this side is going to give us 0. So you say that x squared plus 512 squared is equal to 0, okay? Send 512 squared to the right hand side. So you say that x squared is equal to negative 512 squared. Okay. So with this, we can square both sides.